And we are back. Very quickly, in fact. Not recorded the same day, but recorded soon. I'm just gonna say, for whoever sees this video one day, that thumbnail took me 3 hours to make. It's not a very good thumbnail. Yeah, it took 3 hours. Making videos on just the phone is very difficult, but I don't have anything else. Oh, a computer. So, we're gonna leave, wait for that stuff to regenerate, and the plan is just to figure out a way to not die, really. I don't know if leaving that was really the best of ideas. Probably not. Going in and out. I need to, like, go to a water fountain. Or the closest thing to a water fountain in this place. Reasoning is because I need... Can I go in here now? You aren't seeing this. Alright. It wasn't me. Anyway, we need to find a water fountain or something of similar nature. So, yeah. What in the world? Can I get in here? Oh, it would literally require a key. This is a bad idea. I'm doing it anyway. It was a bad idea. Why am I so stupid? Okay, let's try this again. So I don't actually know exactly the location on the map of that. Somewhere. Where would there be a water fountain? Oh, the average lockpick is 60, 50. Probably a water fountain or sink in here. Maybe. Oh, I don't want the bed. Empty whiskey bottles. Empty water bottles. Empty... We're going through and looting houses. Don't mind me just engaging in activities. This is great. We got a hockey mask. And we got a knife. This is like absolutely amazing. Let's get this. Yeah, so for now, okay. The switchblade, right? Yeah, so this is police baton. Okay, so there's nothing in there I can drink. I think down here there would be, right? Okay. Oh, I should have drank the water of the glow. The water of the glow did not taste good. It tasted irradiated. Hello. Ooh. Is that really not... Can you... There should be water in here. Nope. Oh shush, I'm doing it for a good cause. Me. I don't usually steal in this game, but in this run I have to do anything I can to get by, and it doesn't even matter because I can't have a companion. So my coma doesn't matter that much, besides whether or not I want to feel like a good person. Oh, this is an interesting... I am. This place has interesting stuff I can work with. At night, probably. It will. Just thought about getting him as a companion because my coma was going to be bad, but then I remembered I can't have companions doing this. Because he would use a gun. It's like, even if we look at the technical size, like getting Fox and only having him use his sledgehammer, it doesn't even matter. Because water! Water! Oh my gosh, this is taking a long time. Drink the radiation. Drink the radiation. Drink the radiation. Drink the radiation. We good? I think we're good now. I'm not collecting scrap metal for you, sorry. Okay, now we can go. I really should look for information about where my dad is in there. But no, it's probably fine. We'll just go straight to Rivet City. No. There's no point in helping people. I'm not getting companions, so good coma doesn't really matter. I'm going straight to Rivet City. Where's Rivet City? Somewhere down... That's the Washington Monument, I believe. So Rivet City is somewhere in here, I think. This is gonna get very deadly very quick. Hello! It's a blowfly. Our first opponent approaches. Ooh. You missed me. Ow. Easy. First kill in the wasteland acquired. What weapon does the most damage? I'm pretty sure it's the baseball bat. 7, 7, 7, 6, 10. Okay, baseball bat is like best. With switchblade and knife being like close seconds. Hi, 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 hi. You will die. Ow. Oh. Takes more time to swing, which is the problem. I don't want to go through that at all. Because if we come upon Rados, that's not much we can do. Oh, there's another one! Okay. My point is, look at how much damage we've taken from just getting hit by those animals. We'll take so much doing anything else. Because this is the first time we've had like actual combat with some enemies that are going to be considered a little bit dangerous. Like morats and dogs would be considered dangerous to anyone else. Speaking of the morats, yeah, they wouldn't be dangerous to anyone else, but to us, they're extremely dangerous because they do a decent amount of damage for us at this low level. And unfortunately, we don't have a way to fight them from a distance due to this being a melee weapon ulting challenge on the hardest difficulty in the game. I'm not going in there. No thank you. Friend! Down, kid. I'm gonna leave you alone. Yeah, I'm not going in there. There are fire ants. Bye. I can't help there are fire ants. Is map from Fallout really this small? I thought it was a lot bigger. Oh. Not gonna do anything with hope. She seems like a very odd character to just have in the game. I'm pretty sure those landmines on this bridge. That's a yes. Continuing this way. That bridge is also dangerous, isn't it? Well, there's no good way to go about this. We either do landmines or we do this. Please no monologues. Huh. There we go. I'm saving so much. Huh. Hey, there's a picture from Operation Anchorage. We're gonna do this. I plan on doing that challenge in the series. I want to continue the Crackdown starting up the series. I've said that a lot, but I think I'm gonna have to restart it just based on everything that's happened recently, which is gonna suck for many reasons, but I think having a fresh approach can help me too. Run! Oh, no. I can't survive a fight with that, then. Oh, no. Run for your life! Oh, no. Run. I'm being chased by a giant crab monster. I don't like it. I am scared. That bridge is dangerous. I saw a laser beam. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. I have no way to fire back without being... They're after me. Friend! Help me. No, please, don't run. I need help. Use your gun. Can you please assist in giving me cover fire? Dude, do you have this? I'll help. There's another one. Oh! Hey, dude, I'm sorry. You seem nice, but, I can't. I just abandoned a man and left him for dead. I very much don't feel like a good person. Probably because I'm not right now. I just abandoned a man. But what was I really supposed to do? Those super mutants. They have the word super in their name. Though I think it's not saying they're good. Okay, I can't take any Nuka-Cola from that. Great. Just... Why am I frozen? Hello? Why did my game freeze? Why did everything freeze? Well, back. My game completely crashed. Well, it didn't crash, it froze since I'm on console. But that's the first time this ever happened. On Greater News, we're almost level 3. I bumped my camera. As if it couldn't get any worse. Okay, where were we? Rivet City, yes. What in the world was that sound? I don't like what's happening. This is creepy. Alone and defenseless, pretty much, is terrifying. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's... No. No, 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 no. Just gonna... Well, good news and bad news. I found the Washington Monument. Bad news. I found the Washington Monument. I don't even think that's what this place is called. If I get close enough, I'll know. Since we're right here, I just save. Run! No! I like being alive. To the water! This is, radiation, to say the least. Oh dear. I can't see. I can't see anything. I can see. This is a lot of radiation. Oh, fantastic. Ah, I found the Jefferson Memorial, that's what it's called. I was thinking Washington didn't sound right, but I don't know. Oh. Great. Yeah, because what's useless in this case is this, 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 this. Yeah, all of those are useless. Uh, Gain 5 points. Melee. Went to one of my special abilities. See, if I wanted to do that, probably add it to... No, I want to go back. I don't want to... No, that's not a good option, Neo. Rivet City is right there. I see it. I think that's Rivet City, right? Probably not. I don't know. Yeah, that's Rivet City. We're good. Save me! Oh my gosh, I made it. I'm alive. Yes, I discovered Rivet City. Thank you. I leveled up. Perfect. It still says I'm in danger. Anyway. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh.